Whole apples are an extremely healthy food. However, when apples are juiced, their hydrating quality is maximized. We have always been told that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, here is a recipe to make a glass of apple juice, which you can make it at home. The ingredients are an apple, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a glass of water. And the tools are a knife, a chopping board, a strainer, a glass, and a blender. First of all, make sure you wash the apple. And then, cut the apple into 4 pieces and remove the seeds. And then, chop into small pieces and there's no need to peel the apple. Then, put the pieces of apple into the blender. Add the sugar and a glass of water. Blend it until it mixes well. Then, pour the apple juice into a glass while filtering it. Finally, a glass of apple juice is ready to drink.